Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we will be learning how to redeem code in Township. If you want to claim free rewards like coin, T-Cash or boosters in Township, then you can easily redeem a promo or gift code. Open up your Township application on your smartphone and from the home page, tap the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on the gear button. Now this will open up the settings tab. Click on enter promo code. Now go ahead and enter the promo code exactly as it appears in the text box. I'm just gonna type in some random codes over here. If the code is valid, you'll need to tap on confirm, and right after that you'll receive your reward instantly in your in-game mailbox. So that's how you will be able to redeem your code in Township. Now you can enjoy your free reward and use them to expand your town, complete tasks faster, or decorate with style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.